So, it was just the usual old damp party wall and chimney, so we decided to take it out. We also took the ceilings down too. Not just one, but all of them. The floors didn't fare much better. The floor supporting walls had mostly collapsed, joists were rotten, and the dining room floor had a floor on top of a floor. So naturally, we took them out too. Just time for a spot of lunch. We poured a new concrete oversight throughout the entirety of the subfloor, then set about building new floor supporting walls. Our new floor structure would sit completely independent of the original building. Next we took to insulating the floor. We used a closed cell PIR insulation which was tightly fit between the joists, and all the joints were taped and sealed with a foil tape in accordance with the manufacturer's guidance. We then laid a vapour barrier over the floors and extended the membrane up the walls, ensuring that all the wall interfaces were adequately sealed and taped in place. Just a point to remember, when you're setting out your access hatch for the subfloor, never forget to remove your girlfriend before you continue boarding. Floors nicely completed, we set about levelling up the ceiling joists from the rooms below and insulating the ceilings. Next came the horrible task of restoring that party wall. It's a messy job, let me tell you. We ground out all the existing mortar, and any of the old spoilt brickwork was cut out and replaced for new. The wall was prepared and wet down before being carefully repointed using Lime Green's natural lime mortar. Knock your mortar up in a bucket with sand to the desired consistency and start repointing the wall, working from the top to the bottom, perbs first, bed joints to follow, and once the mortar starts to stiffen, beat it back with a churn brush. Once complete and left to dry, the wall's naturally going to feel a bit dry and dusty, so you're going to need some of this. This is Safeguard's Storm Dry Masonry Protection Cream. Liberally apply the cream to the wall using either a brush or a roller. The cream will start to soak in. Now when initially applied, the cream will give the wall a wet look, but as the cream starts to soak in, the wall will naturally dry back to its original colour, leaving no evidence of a residue. Then for the finishing touches. I opted for lining the floors using a 9mm hardwood ply before then laying a pre-finished lacquered oak floor. Don't forget to make a nice job. People are watching. Ooh, nice. And there you have it. That's how I created this beautiful brick feature wall in a traditional terrace property. Thanks for watching. See you later.